Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to check in online for your Sunexpress flight. This process is quick and easy and it will save you time at the airport. To start, head over the Sunexpress website or download their mobile app. Both options allow you to check in online between 36 and 72 hours before your flight, depending on your departure airport. Once you are in the website or the app, select the check-in tab. You will need to enter your booking code and the last name exactly as they appear your ticket. Click confirm to proceed. Now you will be prompted to confirm your passport and the travel documents. You can also select a change your seat, add or edit baggage choices, and choose any additional services you might need. After completing this step, you can download the the boarding pass. This will save you time at the airport, allowing you to skip the check-in lines. Then that's it. Checking in the online for Sun Express is straightforward and convenient. Make sure to do it early to avoid and the last minute's hassles. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and the problem solving videos.